Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sultan Adel Al Harbi. I study in Qasim University, and this is my first presentation.
Case in English. Case is a common future and grammatical or inflectional category of nouns and pronouns. Type of cases of nouns. English has two cases of nouns. The first is common, and the second is genitive. The common case have five types, which are nominative case, accusative case, dative case, vocative case, ablative case, genitive case. Case of pronouns. Case of pronouns is different from nouns because they are inflected. Dative case, vocative case, genitive case. Case in Arabic. The main and secondary marks. Case in Arabic. Nominative case, the subject, deputy agent, topic and comment, the subject of kana and its set, and the subject of pronominally verbs and others. Accusative case, object, conjugate object, object of a purpose, place and time, adverbs. Genitive case, genitive by preposition, genitive by addition, genitive minute. Pronouns. Pronouns are the nouns that refer to a speaker and addressor or an absent. The regular five nouns. They are ab, akh, ham, fu, dhu. Demonstrative pronouns. They refer to a person or a thing by indication, pointing out. They are هذا, هذه, هذان, هذين, هاتين, هاتان, هؤلاء. Relative pronouns. The relative pronouns is the one which refers to person or thing by a relation. They are الذي, التي, اللاتي, الذين, اللتان, اللتين, الذين, اللات, اللاتي. And here you can show in the project the difference between case in Arabic and English. And thank you for listening.